Good morning, friends. Observe the graph of polynomial px, number of zeros of px. Now, here we have to understand exactly what is the meaning of number of zeros of px. Number of zeros of px means a single or one zero of px we can calculate if and only if it is that value of x which makes the value of y zero. Like if this, for example, if it is x is equal to 3, for this x is equal to 3, y coordinate is 0, that's why the point is lying on the x-axis, right? So for any point of the graph which lies on the x-axis is the 0 of the polynomial, because our definition for 0 of any polynomial states that the value of x, that 0 is 0 of the polynomial is that value of x which gives y as 0, isn't it? So if I put x is equal to this value of point, or this value of the point, or this value of the point, my y is 0. Otherwise the point would not have been lying on the x-axis but above the x-axis or below the x-axis. So here, in conclusion, what we can say, the number of zeros is 3, 1, 2, 3, as the graph cuts the x-axis at 3 points. As the graph cuts the x-axis, otherwise the graph would have been somewhere here. So if it is intersecting the x-axis at this and this point, that means it is making the value of y 0. This is what is the solution for this. I hope it's clear. Thank you. इसे अगर मैं हिंदी में समझाना चाहूँ तो मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि x की इस वैल्यू पर y की वैल्यू 0 आ रही है, x की इस वैल्यू पर y की वैल्यू 0 आ रही है, x की इस वैल्यू पर y की वैल्यू 0 आ रही है। तो x की वो वैल्यूज़ जिन पर y का आंसर 0 आए उसे हम 0 ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल कहते हैं। तो इस वजह से यहाँ पर, क्योंकि और डायरेक्टली आप ग्राफ को देखकर भी कैसे बता देंगे, सिंस द ग्राफ कट्स द एक्स एक्सिस एट 3 पॉइंट्स, देयरफॉर there is 3 0 of the polynomial. Thank you.